Now, if you are into local marketing, helping small businesses or big businesses setting up their Facebook pages, and you can make a lot of money by selling Soci Chatbot as an agency, and you can search for businesses that don't have very good presence on Facebook. And for example, place search. Okay, on the menu, you go down to search tools, and there's two search tools. There's a website comparison that'll show you how many shares and likes on two different domains, and also a place search. Okay, and click on action, and you can see here that you can do a keyword search and results limit. Okay, results may be less or more depending on how many are found. And let's say, for example, let's keep it at 100, and need to find the latitude and longitude and how much distance. So let's do a keyword, and for this city here, so you click on the link where it says latitude, longitude, and I'm going to do my local city, Charlottetown. So you just put the latitude in that field there, and the longitude. There's a little city or map of the city there. Longitude. And from there, keyword is going to be restaurant. And how far out do you want to go? Let's say 200 meters. Okay. Click on search. Now it's going to bring up all the Facebook pages and businesses in the area that have a Facebook page, and it's going to show you how many likes they have on the page, and so forth. The stats. It gives you the domain name and phone number and what have you. If you click on that link there, it gives you all the stats. Okay, and here's one here. I actually eat at this place all the time. It's really good Chinese food, the Noodle House. This has got a good presence. Okay, if you scan down the page, there's a lot of restaurants here don't have a lot of Facebook presence at all. So it's a huge opportunity, huge. So some of these local, like this is a locally owned. It's a franchise, but I know the guy that owns it. It's Smitty's, but they don't have anything. Okay, so I can click on there, and you can visit their Facebook page, because they have a Facebook page. But I would bet they have no bot at all. But here's the place that I order my Chinese food in a lot right here, the Noodle House. So if I click on their site there, they got they have a lot of likes, and 1.4 people have liked their page, and they have some details visited. So I can click on there and visit their Facebook page. Okay, so there it is there, and you can see here that I can send them a message. And I can, by sending them a message, I can see if they have a bot or not. Okay, so I click on there. Let me just delete this, because I've communicated with them before, so I know that they don't have anything. I just did this about 30 minutes ago to test. So if I send them a message, you see that they got some questions, but they don't have any answers. So I click on there. So they got nothing going on. They got nothing going on they have no bot. Those are just the simple questions that you can do on the settings of a page. So they got nothing going on. You can see here that if I visit their page, the last post was 2 months ago. Just about two months and 2 weeks. Okay, so they do a post about every 6 months, every 4 or 5 months. So not very much, but they do a lot of business. There's almost 1,000, 1,500 people that have liked the page, and so it's get some good stuff. And so all you need to do is visit them once again. You can visit them. It gives you the phone number, and you can walk in or just phone them and give them a template. Show them a template of what you've done and how it could show the menu. How it could all this stuff can be automated. Okay, I'll show you once again. I'll delete it. What kind of food do you serve? Can I see the menu? Where are you located? So they have, do you deliver? So all these questions that they've made, they have no answers to. They've just did in the settings on their Facebook page. But, they got nothing going on there. Okay, and they don't answer. It's Saturday today, so I know they're open. They're probably busy working behind the kitchen. But, this should be automated. This can be all automated. And so I'm going to go in there, and next time I go in there, I'm going to sell them on a bot and do it on a monthly, or maybe even a couple free meals a month. So that's how you can easily get some business, and by the places and their searches, and it's really great. And you can also do it by website. Okay, so if you know a couple websites and you can do a comparison, for example, something controversial, Donald J. Trump. Okay, let's see. And Bernie Sanders. Okay, so you can see here that 144,000 shares, 289,000 shares, reactions, and so forth. Okay, and so obviously Trump has more, but Bernie's doing pretty good as well. So that's the search tools. You can drum up more business, and you can go from there. Thank you.